Hey, what's up? I just wanted to shoot this quick video of me washing my bike down. I wanted to show you one of the products that I use, S100, when I'm in a rush and I need to wash my bike real quick. I don't know if you can tell, I got caught in the rain the other day, so the bike is filthy. Combination of dirt, pollen, and road grime. So, like I said, I just wanted to show you how I wash my bike real quick when I'm in a rush and don't got time to do a real good detail. Show you my process. All right, I'm just gonna get a bike a little quick mist. I'm gonna do one side at a time. You're not supposed to let it sit for too long, so I'll just let it sit for a couple minutes while I just take care of this front end. Then I'll give it a steady shot of water to wash it off. And they say you're supposed to wash it off until you get a squeaky feel on the body surface. So that's what I'll do. And they say you're supposed to spray it off with a steady stream, a little hard stream. I didn't want to use a pressure hose, so just spray it off until it's squeaky clean. If it's still slimy, I guess that little film that it puts on, the cleaning film, the little haze or whatever, keep spraying it. So I'm just going to go over it once more again within a steady stream of water. So. All right, let's see if we get that squeaky feeling. All right, enough playing DJ. All right, so the bike is clean. All I gotta do now is just wipe it off. All right, I am gonna towel dry some parts, but I highly recommend getting some kind of a blower. I got this one from Ryobi. It's battery powered, nice, compact, portable, just to blow all the excess water away and get all the water inside of the crevices that you can't normally reach with a towel. As you can see, rag's still clean, which means I guess it did a pretty good job. Finally, I'm just going to dry the exhaust off. And we can't forget those wheels. All right, I'm all done with the quick wash. Let's take a look at it. Yeah. Did a good job getting all that dirt, grime, piling off. Oh yeah, side note. See this right here? Get yourself one of these if you don't have one. It covers up your intake for your engine. So I'm tired of seeing plastic bags, people having plastic bags. Get yourself a real cover. That way it has elastic on the end of it. You can throw it in your saddlebag whenever you get caught in the ring. Side note. Yeah, did a real good job. For a quick wash, she did a real good job. So like I said, this was just just me showing you a quick video on how I wash my bike when I don't have time to wash it, using a quick wash by S100. I'm still gonna hit it with a detailer, maybe later on, but as of right now, I'm gonna go take it for a ride real quick. I got a little overcast, so I don't know. I might try to get a little ride in before it rains. But yeah, so thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
Peace
Peace out, homies.